Alright, so we're asked to solve for x in the equation. Log 9x base 8 equals what? Log 8x base what? 9. But before we can solve this, okay, we must change them to have common base 10. Okay, so recall that log what? A base b equals what? Log A to common base c all over what? Log of b to common base what? C. So when we transform this to common base 10, we're going to have log 9x base 10 all over what? Log what? 8 base 10 equals what? Log of what? 8x base 10 all over what? Log 9 base 10. Okay? So from here, we'll cross multiply. When we'll cross multiply, we're going to have this multiply this. We'll have log 9x base 10 multiplied by what? Log 9 base 10 equals what? This times this, we're going to have what? Log 8x base 10 multiplied by what? Log 8 base 10. Okay. Recall that log AB, okay, is equals what? Log A plus what? Log B. So from here we can split this into log 9 base 10 plus what? Log of what? X is what? 10 multiplied by what? Log 9 base 10, which is equals what? We're going to split this into log what? 8 base 10 plus what? Log x base 10 multiplied by what? Log 8 base 10. Okay? So when we expand the bracket, we're going to have log what? 9 base 10 multiplied by what? Log 9 base 10. We have what? Log 9 base 10 all raised to the power what? 2. Is that okay? So this multiply this, we are going to have what? Log x base 10 times what? Log 9 base 10. Okay? Which is equals, multiply out this, we're going to have log 8 base 10 all squared. Okay? Because this multiply this, we're going to have what? Log x base 10 multiplied by what? Log 8 base 10. Okay, so from here now we're going to collect like terms. Okay? So this will move to this side, and this will also move to this side. So here we have log x base 10 multiplied by what? Log 9 base 10. If this crosses to the other side, it becomes minus. So minus what? Log x base 10 times what? Log 8 base 10, which is equals what? Log 8 base 10 all squared. If this crosses to the other side, it becomes what? Log 9 base 10 all what? All squared. So we can factor out what? Log x base 10 because it is common. So when we factor it out, we're going to have what? Log x base 10 open bracket. We are left with what? Log 9 base 10, okay, minus what? Log 8 base 10. Okay, this is equals what? So let us split this into 2, because this is called what? Difference of 2 squared. Okay, so if we split it, we're going to have log 8 base 10 minus what? Log 9 base 10 multiplied by what? Log 8 base 10 plus what? Log 9 base 10. This is what we call difference of what? 2 squared. Now to make log x base 10 the subject of the formula, we're going to divide both sides by coefficient of what? Log x base 10. That means we're dividing by what? Log 9 base 10. Okay. take away what? Log 8 base 10. Okay? All over what? Log what? Log 9 base 10 minus what? Log 8 is what? Base 10. Now, we can transform this way. This will cancel this. So we're left with what? Log x is 10 is equals. Now let us transform this to look like this. So when we transform it, we're going to factor out minus here. Minus will come out. So we're going to have what? Log 9 is 10 minus what? Log 8 is 10. Okay? Multiplied by what? Log 8 is 10 plus what? Log of 9 is 10. All over what? Log 9 is 10 minus what? Log 8 is what? 10. So this one will cancel this also. Okay? So when it cancels, okay? So we are going to be left with what? Log x is 10 equals what? Minus open bracket log 8 base 10 plus log 9 base 10. Now, recall that log A plus log B is equals what? Log A times what? Log B. So we're going to couple this together. We're going to have what? We're going to have what? Log x base 10 is equals what? Minus log 8 times what? 9. So we're going to have log x base 10 equals what? Minus log 72. Okay? To their common base 10. Okay? Okay? So now we're going to take this negative up. Okay? Okay? We're going to take this negative up. If we do that, we'll have log x base 10 is equals what? Log what? 1 over what? 72 base what? Okay? Why do we do so? Because from logarithm, when we have log of what? Maybe a raised to power b. Okay? We're going to take this power down to multiply the logarithm. So we're going to have b what? Log what? Log a. So the same thing is applicable when we have negative 1 log what? A. When we take this minus 1 up, it will look like this way. Log what? A raised to power minus what? Minus 1. And from indices, anything raised to power of negative index means what? The reciprocal of that same number. So that is why we have what? 1 over what? 72. Right? Good. Now, we can compare both sides. Okay, since they have common what? Base 10, we are going to have that x is equals what? 1 over what? 72. And that is our answer. Thank you.